In this video, I will explain how to add the delivery charge for minimum order amount, and this is the our live site. Now I have to explain how to add the delivery charge, I mean shipping charges for the minimum order amount. Actually, in this video, we have covered the two concepts. The one is when the customer purchases the order for above 1000 rupees, the charges are free. When the customers are buy the product below 1000, then they have to pay the delivery charge amount. Okay, fine. First, you have to click the WooCommerce, then go to on the settings, then click the shipping tab, and then choose your zone name. Already I created the actually my zone name is India, so I target only India customers. So I create just sorry, so I have to select only India zone. Okay, fine. Then you have to click the two shipping methods for the one is completely free when the customer exceed over the when the customers are purchase above 1000 rupees. For example, once again, actually the 200 ml price is 216. When the customers purchase above 1000, the delivery charge is free, completely free. So I have to create the free delivery option. So you have to click the add shipping method and then click free shipping. Now I just rename the free shipping to free delivery, and then you have to select the minimum order amount. Suppose the customer purchase above 1000 rupees, then the delivery is completely free. That's why the minimum order amount is 1000 for uh, restrict the delivery charges. Okay, fine. This is the first one, and the second one is you have to assign some delivery charges when the customer purchase below 1000 rupees. For example, if customer purchase 216, then they have to pay the particular amount for something like that. Here I have to assign the value for just 50 rupees delivery charge. When the customer purchase the product for below 1000, then they have to pay the 500, sorry, 50. Just I explain the live demo. Now I have to choose the 200 ml, then I click buy now button and check below the delivery charge is 50, because the reason is and our condition is when the customer buy above 1000, then it's a free delivery. Okay, fine. And now I just remove the cart, and then I have to go to on the product, and now I have to choose 500 ml and sorry 1 liter. 1 liter I have to choose just 5 quantity, and now the charge is for the free delivery. So free delivery for only for so only for below 1000. And now we have to clear the free delivery option. We can option for the free delivery. Suppose you have to click the free delivery, just it's automatically assigned the free delivery. Okay, fine. So it's the option only for visible when we have to purchase above 1000 rupees. Suppose you have to click the one product, then the free delivery is automatically uh, disabled. It's only showing the delivery charges amount only. So actually the product price is 320. We have to pay the additional 50 and totally 370. So this is the method for add the delivery charges and free delivery. You have to create the two one. First one is free delivery, completely is free delivery, and the customer purchase above 1000 rupees. So to create the free delivery, you have to select the free shipping. So free shipping means we can able to assign the minimum order amount, and then the flat rate means delivery charges. So already I created one flat rate, so I just rename the flat rate to delivery charges. So the default delivery charge is 50 rupees if the customers purchase below 1000 rupees. So this is the method for add the delivery charges. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment below. I will explain how to sort out that. And thank you. Thanks for watching.